children, let's learn about the letters of the alphabet. Let's learn about letter E. Letter E is a vowel. It can make a short eh sound. Can you make the sound? To make the eh sound, start by opening your mouth. Keep your tongue low and flat inside your mouth. Now say the eh sound. You can stretch out the eh sound like this. Eh. Let's look at some examples of words that begin with the letter E and the eh sound. Say the word engine slowly and listen to the sound of letter E at the beginning. Practice saying engine and notice how your mouth feels when you make that sound. Now let's meet some words that begin with letter E. Elephant. Eggs. Eggplant. Elf. Edge. The short sound can also be heard in the middle of words like net. Net. Hen. Hen. And web. Web. Place your hand on your throat and say the sound and notice the vibration. This happens because is a voiced sound. Now let's write uppercase letter E. You can take your pointer and middle finger and write as we go along. To write uppercase E, let's start at the top. Pull down, pick up, pull across, pick up, pull across, pick up, pull across. Now you have an uppercase E. Let's try this again. Start at the top, pull down, pick up, pull across, pick up, pull across, pick up, pull across. Now you can pause this video and practice some more. Now let's move ahead and write lowercase letter E. You can take your pointer and middle finger and write as we go along. To write lowercase e, start below the middle. Pull across, curve up and around. That's how you write lowercase letter E. Let's try this again. Start below the middle, pull across, curve up and around. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are many more letters to learn about in this series, so do keep watching.